respond, respond, respond. Always give people a feedback. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. As I just mentioned, it's necessary that you know people around you, where are you at, with your thoughts, with your actions, with your situation, because I don't like when people don't respond to me, when people freeze, when people don't do anything, when people don't talk, when people stop communicating, when people close themselves in their own personal space and they stop giving you the feedback that you deserve as a person. Or I understand some people are too pushy and those people don't deserve the attention. But when I am chatting with somebody on the internet, when I'm trying to call somebody and they don't call me back or they don't pick me up, that's disrespectful. Okay, so you need to always respond to people. You know, people appreciate when somebody focuses on them, gives them the attention, when the person responds to them. So you need to take care of your situations. It's your responsibility that you follow up people, that you are direct with them, that you clarify everything that you are working with them towards. So it's very important that it's your obligation and responsibility that you let people know what are your thoughts, where are you at, and why you can't maybe go on the journey with them. You can always say to them with all the respect that you are not able to go on the journey with them and continue. But at least you need to do so. You can't just stay quiet and step back and expect that everything will be fine. No. It will come back after you, so always be able to respond. Okay, that was Primoz and my success principle for today.